The ambulance services in Kathmandu have been very busy in the last few days, and we are here at a makeshift hospital which is running right beside a road. The patients have been brought out from the building because of the scare of any kind of a tremor or any kind of earthquake situation. So to prevent any problem to these patients, they have been brought out, and we have Dr. Mansoor here who is taking care of this hospital to talk about it. What have been the challenges?
There's not only one challenge right now because it's so hard to evacuate all the patients, and like some patients that are on the OPD basis, like we can send them home, but the patient that are on the ventilator, the patient who have tracheostomy, it's a real challenge because the nurses and the patient party, they are like ambu whole night. They didn't even sleep for 2-3 days because they're trying to save the patient, the lives, you know. So lots of challenges. For example, sometimes there are lots of like the victims and the casualty that are coming here, and we need a shot at amputation. That time, all we can do is we can manage we can control the bleeding, and they can send them to the fire center.
But what kind of injuries have been coming in the last few days, and how difficult is it to manage that?
It's such a devastating, it's so hard to explain, what kind of, there's not any injury that left right now because I've seen hip fracture, bone fracture, the head's gone, some hands are gone, there is all the bones in the body have been broken, you know. There's not only one bone that we can explain about.
Thank you for speaking to us. And so we see here that the arrangement has been made for patients to be taken care of in whatever immediate care that can be provided to them. It's not been very easy for these families whose patients have come to this hospital. It's been tough. Doctors have not slept for last 3 days, and still the shortage of medication is being taken care of by the government. The countries around are sending in medication into Nepal, which is then distributed to these kind of hospitals, who then give it out to the patients. The situation is not coming under control. The 72-hour golden period of the earthquake is over, and now we have to deal with this kind of situation. These patients have to be kept in these kind of makeshift shelters, and there is no choice at the moment. But the best is being done for the people of Kathmandu. Ravinder Bawa, Kathmandu, for CCTV.